Linda, you are a human rights activist and a well-known human rights activist. Statements has been going on social media that you are now a tribalist, or you have said a statement to that effect, calling the Ndebele people cowards. What's your response to that?
I would like to make it clear that I did not call Ndebele people cowards. I was just responding to a presentation that had been done by the Reverend Angelisto Sibanda at the Crisis Coalition meeting. It is unfortunate that my question or my response to his presentation has been misinterpreted, and people have decided to deduce what they want to deduce from it. But what I can say right now is there's no point even trying to explain what I was trying to articulate as I was responding about the NRZ issue. I didn't respond about the Ndebele issue. I responded on the NRZ issue that had been raised from my experience within the organization. So for all the pain that my colleagues in Zimbabwe have felt, I mean, from all the utterances and the comments that I've seen on Facebook and social media and all, I would like to apologize for any pain that might have been caused by the misinterpretation of what I was trying to say. I am not a tribalist. I am one person who's been fighting for unity of purpose, that we fight together for one common cause, which is to remove the Robert Mugabe regime, which has brought immense suffering on Zimbabweans.
Do you think Zimbabweans are tribalist, or these are just sentiments from few individuals, as someone who have worked in the two regions?
What I understand is naturally when people feel their tribe has been attacked, they have the right to respond. But unfortunately, I did not attack. But it has happened that they believe that I've attacked them, but I haven't. I've actually been fighting. I remember when we were planning the Munwesemu Road demonstration, I actually went to Blawayo. I've got a passion for people in Ndebele. I was actually born in Ndebele, but these things happen. Some people will be trying to drive their own agendas, but I understand this is what happens in politics.
Yes, Linda, you've touched another issue, that when you were planning the Munwesemu Road, you actually went to stage that, or to lead from Bulawayo. What does that mean to the people there, considering some of the comments that are also going or that are being said on social media to you?
When I was commenting, I was trying to urge my counterparts in Ndebele to rise up and fight. But that was taken the other way around. That's why I have said, for the unintentional pain that I might have caused by my statement, and I am apologizing to the Zimbabweans, to the Ndebele speaking people, and all the people in Ndebele.